This is Joy with Poet Animal Rescue. She was just rescued from the streets. She's really sweet. She's also special needs. She's deaf, so she will need an adopter who's willing to work with her and be patient. If you're interested in Joy, please apply at www.poetanimalrescue.org. Also, if you'd like to send Joy any treats for the holiday, she would love them. This is Kendall with Poet Animal Rescue. She's 2 to 3 years old. She's really sweet. She likes to be held and play. She also likes other dogs. If you're interested in Kendall or other dogs, please visit our website, www.poetanimalrescue.org. Also, this holiday season, we always need donations if you are interested in supporting our animals. Thank you. This is Kylie with Poet Animal Rescue. She's 2 to 3 years old, very sweet. She likes other dogs and she's very friendly and playful. If you're interested in learning more about Kylie, please go to our website, www.poetanimalrescue.org.